how to create custom text replacements in Apple Mail on your iPhone. If you want to type a short shortcut that automatically expands into a longer phrase while writing emails, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap General. Now select Keyboard, then tap Text Replacement. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. In the phrase field, enter the full text you want to use, such as your email signature, address, or a frequently used response. Then, in the shortcut field, enter the abbreviation you'd like to type. For example, you could use TY for thank you for your email. Once you've finished, tap Save in the top right corner. Now, open the Mail app and start composing a new email. Type the shortcut you created, then press the spacebar. Your shortcut will automatically expand into the full phrase you saved. You can create multiple text replacements for greetings, signatures, phone numbers, addresses, or any other text you use frequently, helping you write emails much faster. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.